Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is regarding two ticker symbols. So the first one is ticker symbol BBIG, and you can see it was up by 22% today. And the next ticker I will be talking is ticker symbol PROG, which was up by 2.4%, and after hour up by another almost 1%. So I will be talking about some of the things, the support, resistance, what is happening, the option chain activity, so that you can make some trade if you are doing some day trading or swing trading. And that's the whole idea of this particular video. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community. You can become a Patreon and you will get access to my Discord and my live daily trade ideas pre-market and during market hours, so that we can all make some money. As an example, today some big trades are BBIG, so you can see when at what price I alerted and what is the high of the day. You can see the gains are nice, 21%, OCG and 9%, ANY 10%, PROG 11%. So anyway, if you want to get this kind of alert and you want to have some daily trade and want to make some money, please do not forget to join my Patreon and Discord, and let's make money together. Anyway, so I initially released a video during market hours on BBIG because at that point it was popping, and I said that it will go up to 8.5. If you want, you can go and check my previous video. I was talking about 8.5 and it went to 8.5 and came back. But what happened, if you do not know, then there is a news, right? So the news came that the Seeking Alpha sets a $40 price target for BBIG, and after that the stock started going higher. So if you go to Seeking Alpha, you can see a $40 price target, and it talks about Cryptide shares will soon be issued by BBIG as TYDE spin-off dividend, and the record date will be October 22nd, and also some acquisition news, third-party independent valuation, and few other things. Anyway, I'm not saying BBIG will go to 40, but anyway, when the news came, people started buying and that thing started going up. Now, I wanna talk about the price action, but before that, few other things. Again, I'm not saying it will go to 40, but again, the news helped and it spiked. Maybe still the news even might happen as well. But the interesting thing is, look at the volume. The average volume is 41 million, and today's volume was 109 million. So you can see almost 2.5 times more volume came today. If you look at the volume today, you can see once the news came, then volume came. So lots of volume came, the share price also went higher. If you look day by day, the volume is increasing almost last 3 days. So we have to see if tomorrow we will get more volume. That will be the most interesting thing. But if you look at the option chain activity, 83% options were call options today. Now let's look at the price. So when I made the video, I think around 3:30 today, the price was something around here, right? So I was talking that it will go at 8, it will have a pullback. You can see it had a pullback, but the main line I was drawing around 8.5, and you can see it went all the way to 8.47, pretty close, and came back. And why I was talking, let's see. So I'm going to zoom out, and one important area was 7.65 because last few times it was rejected, but today it came here. 7.65 had some kind of resistance, but because of enough volume it pushed and it went all the way to 8.5. Again, why 8.5? Because the 8.5 is coming from this area. Now it is having a pullback. Now how far it can go, I do not know, but I'm just looking at the chart in case more volume comes tomorrow. I'm not sure if it will come, but if it comes, then it will try to push the 8.5 barrier again, and if it can break 8.5 barrier again, then we can think about $8.7, then 9.4, and so on. But what I see from after hour, that it came down, bounced off couple of times from around 7.9 area. You can see it during the market hour, it bounced off that 7.9. Even after hour it came 7.9. So if you're planning to enter, maybe you can enter at 7.9 with a stop loss, or you have to wait for pre-market. Who knows, it will come back to 7.9, bounce, and it will go up, or it will break through 7.9 and it will retest the bottom support. The important one is 7.65. So one thing could be, if you're planning to put a limit buy order, maybe put a limit buy order for 7.65 with a stop loss, in case it comes down. Otherwise, I'm thinking maybe it will come here and bounce up. The most important thing what I see is the call option chain, because all the call options which will expire tomorrow 15th of October, you can see just because of the rise, so many call options are in the money. Look at strike 7, 7.5 and 8. So many open interest, so many volumes. So if these are in the money by end of tomorrow, and if they are exercised, there will be a lot of buying pressure. That will be really nice, because then we will see a big spike in share price. Also, I'm looking at strike 9 and strike 10, because it's still lots of options, call options that is still waiting here. If there is a push, in case like BBIG goes to 10, who knows, all of these options will be exercised. It will be really fun next week. So anyway, I do not want to give any hype, but I'm just showing you some possibility what can happen. The next ticker symbol is PROG, and we are making day trading on this one almost every day, because you can see it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. If you look at 5-day chart, same thing, goes up, comes down. So anyway, so why we love this one? So first of all, let's look at the volume. So the average volume is 86 million. Today's volume is more than average. It was 93 million, which is good. At one point it went to 2.36, then with time it is coming down and down. Now, why I'm interested for this particular chart, because you see it's like a bull flag. It went up and now it is forming a triangle here, and the base of the triangle is around 2.07, 2.05, this area, but it is also making lower highs. A few things can happen. If there is enough buying pressure, then it will break through, it will go on the other side of the blue line, it will go higher. So it is gonna break out, it will go higher. Or if the market is red or there is not enough volume, this thing can fall through this support 2.05, 2.07, this area, and might come back to 1.8, 1.6. I do not know, but I want to make this video to bring this to your attention, because it can go either up, it can go down, but this is sitting right at the corner. If you look at the after hour action, it has been bouncing off this line multiple times. So very, very interesting. If I look at the price and the volume, you can see for last 5 days we had more volume. Now with time the volume is coming down. It found some nice volume before at the beginning of the day and came down. So anyway, volume is also important. Looking at the call option, which will expire tomorrow, again very interesting. For strike price 2 and 2.5, I see lots of call options here, right? So in case there is a push, it goes over 2.5, and if they are exercised, then again there will be a lot of buying pressure for PROG. And if there is lots of short interest, then those shorts needs to be covered. Again, I'm not making any hype, just showing you the possibility. It might break to 2.05, it might come back to 1.8. In that case, a $2 strike, they will be out of the money and they will not be exercised. So there is always two sides. So you have to see how things are going, and maybe end of the day, if you see it is going up or it is coming down, then you can enter and for possible change in next week. So anyway, if we are a YouTube community member or a Discord member, then definitely I will talk about this. I will give you a lot pre-market, market hours, and even after hours. But anyway, I'm making this video for you so that you know what is to be expected tomorrow. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want to get daily trade ideas with support resistance for different ticker symbol, just give a try, become a member, join my Discord, and let's make money together. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.